Everyone. So today is this is my second day for reading my Flipkart. So 10 questions. So first is the what typical phase and waterfall that creating architectures and the detailed design. So my answer for these questions is system design. System design. So tama. What is a sprint in Agile? So for me, sprint in Agile is it is a small increment. So the answer is small increment. So give me one weaknesses of waterfall model. So inflexibility. Tama. It is a linear and sequential software development. So my answer for this is waterfall model. Tingnan si. Tama. What strength of waterfall model that each page is well defined, making it easier to manage the document. So my answer for this is clear structured. Check. Use a visual board to track progress and workflow. So my answer for this is Kanban. C. Kanban. What are the two distinct approaches to software development? So the waterfall and the agile. So check. Agile allows for change required throughout the project. So my answer for this is the blank agile. Kalimut ko sa answer. It is the flexibility. Mali. It is an iterative and flexible approach. My answer for this one is the agile model. So one mistake lang tayo.